Hey guys, welcome back. For today's video, I'm going to be demonstrating how to apply transfer foil on your nails. Using Emily gel base and top coat as well as Modelones transfer foil glue. First, I'm going to apply my first layer of gel base to my nails. Then I cure them for 60 seconds in my lamp. Next, I'm taking my iGel Beauty gel polish in Ciao Bella and applying my first layer of it on my nails, and then I'm going to cure it for 90 seconds. Then I'm going to repeat the same step and apply the second layer of gel polish. Here I'm just applying one small layer of my gel base to my nails, and this ensures that I just protect my gel polish color, and then I'm going to cure it in my lamp. Then I'm taking a lint-free wipe and alcohol and I'm applying it to my nails to take off the sticky layer. Now the fun part. I'm grabbing my foil glue and applying one layer to each nail and curing it for 60 seconds. Now I'm grabbing 4 different color foils and I'm applying it randomly on my nails. Now on to the last steps. I'm taking my gel top coat and applying it and curing it. Then I'll finish off my mani with applying some cuticle oil. And this is the end result. I hope you guys enjoyed and found this video helpful.